How to make a 3D door hanger with Silhouette Cameo. Step 1. First, download a design you want to use for the project. Step 2. Sand down and prep the wooden blank you're going to use. Step 3. Open Silhouette Studio, go to File and select Merge. Step 4. Select the design you want to use and click OK. Step 5. If the design is not grouped, position the pieces, select all the pieces, right-click and click Group. Step 6. Resize the design from the Quick Access toolbar. Step 7. Once the design is sized to your liking, right-click and select Ungroup. Step 8. Select the pieces you want to fill with the same color, go to the Color Fill drop-down and select a color. Step 9. Right-click the selected pieces and click Group. Step 10. Set the grouped pieces of the same color aside. Step 11. Next, select the elements of the design you want in the same color, click the Color Fill drop-down and select a color. Step 12. Drag these pieces aside, select all, right-click and click Group. Step 13. Repeat the same steps to color the rest of the design. Step 14. Once done, select the template, right-click and select Delete. Step 15. Bring a piece of design into the media, right-click and select Flip horizontally. Step 16. Right-click the piece of design that goes with the flip design and click Flip horizontally. Step 17. Repeat the same steps to flip the rest of the design horizontally. Step 18. With the first design on the mat, go to the Send panel, ensure that Carriage 1 is set to No Cut and collapse it. Step 19. In Carriage 2, ensure that the action is set to Auto Craft Cut and check the remaining settings. Step 20. Next, check the blade depth, force passes and speed settings. Step 21. Now go to your Silhouette machine, pull out the craft blade from Carriage 2 and ensure that the blade depth is set to the same settings as in the software. Step 22. Insert the blade into Carriage 2 and lock it in. Step 23. Load the mat with the material into the machine and start cutting. Step 24. Once you've cut every part of the design, remove the excess material and peel it off the mat. Step 25. Assemble the design. Step 26. Use a lint roller to remove dust and spray a coat of sealant. Step 27. Let it dry completely, then use a ribbon to hang it. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.